First, we wanted to know how we could quickly find out why a building value changed from one tax year to another. Prior to iasWorld, what we would typically do is query the parcel in the current year, and then on another monitor we would open another session of the application and requery the parcel in a prior year and then compare the two. We would typically begin with the dwelling tab, and if we couldn't find a change there, we would move on to the addition and OBY and on until we found what we were looking for. And that tended to take far too long, particularly when you're trying to help people over the phone. So it would tend to lead to callbacks at a later time once they had found the answer to the question. The other issue we had was that we wanted to be able to view the entire building calculation formula. At that time, there was nowhere in the application that it could be clearly viewed from beginning to end, showing everything involved in the calculation. And we felt like that was an important thing to know so that you could truly know the ultimate impact to value that changing data elements or grade or a factor would end up having. For our solution, we had to create new Oracle functions and views in order to pull all the data that we wanted and to format it the way we wanted it to look in PRM. So first we created residential and commercial datalets that compare current year building data with prior year building data in one datalet with a difference flag column that will populate only if the value changed. Then we, following the calculation worksheets in the iasWorld valuation guide, we were able to create functions and views for residential and commercial that clearly show how building value is calculated via the CLT valuation method. The major benefit that we gained was the speed in which we could help people when they contact our office. PRM took what had been a chore and practically made it a non-issue. So now we can just go to really one datalet and be able to tell what changed. It's lowered our amount of callbacks, and it built a lot of confidence in our valuation.